Just wanna see the light.
Hello again. In this video we will modify our if statement a little bit and fix some bugs. Actually not a bug but make it flexible. In previous video we have written if statement directly. Here the problem arises when the player press up and down button simultaneously or at the same time. We want player to do one choice at a time. So let's have a look on our if and else statement. When we write our if statement in this format like if, else if and else, then if the first condition is true, then the first statement will be run and the remaining will not be checked. But in our previous code we have written if and if. So in that case the whole expression will be run whether the first expression is true or false, it doesn't matter. Now let's jump back into Visual Studio and give this a go. Here I will make small changes so that it will be easier to read for the player. Okay, the changes has been completed. Now we will modify the remaining code. Now change if to else if on line 28 and 32. Okay, it's done. Now save the code and return back to Unity. Move to console. Hit the play icon. You can see that it's working. Up for up and down for down. Thank you for watching video, and if you have any difficulties then write down the comment below and we'll meet you in the next lecture.